Universitas Syiah Kuala.
As the world's population is growing, the need for agricultural products is sharply increasing. Unfortunately, the land available for agriculture is also decreasing. Therefore, the right agricultural technique is required to transform natural resources efficiently, effectively, and optimally. To provide a solution for all of these problems, the Department of Agricultural Engineering of Universitas Syiah Kuala is committed to producing alumni that will be able to master their skills in the field of science engineering and apply it to agriculture. The Department of Agricultural Engineering was officially formed on January 8, 1997. It has the vision of being a center of outstanding, independent, and innovative research and education development in the field of agricultural engineering in the future. Supported by a staff of teachers which have graduated from universities in various countries, this department has succeeded in producing alumni, the majority of whom are working in their areas of specialty. The commitment of the Agricultural Engineering Department of Universitas Syiah Kuala to keep improving its education quality is proven through the periodically updated curriculum and system of study, as well as holistic development of student competency. Besides that, the relevancy, quality, and amount of research activity from students and lecturers alike continued to rise through various programs and collaborations, such that, in 2018, this department received an A in accreditation from BANPT.
Agricultural Engineering Department Universitas Syiah Kuala focus on designing or using systems, processes, and machines to aid in energy, food, and water. In this department, students learn to design, develop, analyze, and operate machines and systems related to agriculture, while integrating physical and biological sciences with engineering principles. What we are doing here is preparing students to work professionally in many fields of agriculture, particularly in farms, in manufacturing plants, equipment designs, food productions, laboratories, government systems that protect soil and water, and many jobs that relate to Industry 4.0.
One of the latest innovations of agricultural engineering is PSD-IR I-16. This technology is a portable instrument used to quickly evaluate and predict the quality and chemical parameter of foods, agricultural products, and livestock. This instrument is also able to quickly detect dangerous and counterfeit substances. The Department of Agricultural Engineering will not stop here. There are still many creations and innovations that are being developed to be applied in the future. As long as the problems in agricultural engineering still exist, the Department of Agricultural Engineering will keep on innovating.